Welcome back to a brand new video today, guys. So we are checking out this brand new tool. So it's an automation tool for job applications. So it's called LazyApply. So basically what it'll do is it'll automate the job applications for you, and you have multiple different tier systems for applying. So for example, you could apply for something like 1,000 jobs in a day if you pay like $1,000. See, 1,500 applications. Right now I just did the plan for 150 applications per day, so that'll just cover 150 applications in a day, and it automates the whole system for you. So for example, it can use Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, ZipRecruiter, all that sort of stuff. So for example, I could do marketing. So let's look for marketing, and it will select my profile. So I created a profile right here. So I've got to finish this profile. All right, perfect. Now I've got 100% completions. That just means all my details are completed with this profile. So then I could start job hunting. Woohoo! All right, let's put in marketing. Let's test this bad boy out. Okay, so we want to use that. So that's our resume. It's going to search for us and automate. All right, so I put in that I just wanted to go to LinkedIn, and it's literally forcing me to do a Chrome extension. So we have to download this to use the software. All right, we now have it working. All right, so many steps to it, but let's see what it does. It's now searching for 100 jobs in the marketing field on all of these websites. Indeed, Jora. Let's see how long it takes. Let's see what it does. Okay, so that looks like, is that Harvey Norman or Harvey? Notion, that's an interesting one. Ooh, that's a good one. All right, so you basically apply to all of this in one hit. That's pretty incredible. All right, let's see this in real-time action. Let's go continue applying. Just direct applications. And it is automating the whole thing all at once. Look at that. So 109 applications all at once. Wow. Let's do it. So basically, it's just going to automate this whole thing. The only problem is, this is in the US, not in Australia. I need to stop this. Hang on. Alright, so what I've done is I've made sure that the filters are correct. So we got Indeed.com and the correct resume, and the country is in Australia, and it was posted in the last 7 days. So this should hopefully work. Let's see what it does, if it works. Okay, let's do marketing and get it searching. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Alright, it's doing its job. Here we go. Alright, so the AI agent scans the jobs. Let's see what happens. Alright, not doing too bad actually. Very good. Interesting. Alright, so this is going to fully automate the process. I'm just going to show you what happens afterwards. It's very interesting. So it's doing its own thing. It's saying it's applying for 1,000 jobs. I'm very intrigued right now what this thing is doing. All right, very cool. So it keeps refreshing the page, and it's saying that just wait while the AI agent just scans the jobs. It's going to do all the work for you. So just wait and see what happens. So my genuine thoughts on the system at first was I was a little bit worried with the system, because I was like, I don't know if this is even working for me, man. I don't even know if it's properly working, because it was starting to do US jobs, but I had to do all the filters. So you got to make sure that you have your Australian filter. You got to make sure that you're doing Indeed.com as your certain filter, or just making sure that you're specific about the details. and then it started to do the job right, and now we have an update with the website. So it took a few minutes, but now we got an update, so let's have a look. So now we have all of these jobs. We have 100 jobs, fully automated, and it's saying that this is gonna do this every single day. So 100 jobs, mass applied, within a couple of minutes. Wow. Continue applying. Yes. Just direct applying and then automation. Boom. It's going to do it for you. So it is automating the process. So it's going to do 100 of these automations just straight away for you. And it just loads and boom. Wow. Look at that. I'm actually impressed now that it's working. This is so cool. So that is my portfolio and everything. And it's doing it all for me. One click of a button. So I could just leave this laptop on. It's going to do all of this for me. Wow. I'm impressed actually a little bit. It's pretty cool how far... There you go. Wow, it's doing it all for me. How good's that? I'm actually super impressed at this point. So straight away it goes to the next one, and then boom, it does it all for you. So it's going to do this like 100 times. So you might as well just leave this on autopilot and just do it, let it do it for you, like literally. So right now it's 3:48, and I'm just going to leave this to do all the work for me and just fully automate the process in real time. How good is this? 100 applications without having to do anything. It's fully automated the whole process. How cool is that? Alright, so I'm actually pretty happy with this. It's fully automating the process. Here we go, so it's now loading. Man, that's actually wicked. That is so wicked. Like, as long as you do it, like, fairly, like, okay, you get your resume sorted and everything, you optimize your resume, and then you just mass apply with the resume. Like, yes, some people say, you know, you should optimize per application, but I've just found more results by applying for just more jobs. So this is going to do it for me. And then if you pay like what, $1,000 for a year, you could apply for 1,000 jobs max a day and just literally just max apply everything. It's doing it all for me. Wow. Alright, not too bad. It's actually pretty good. So the website was called LazyApply, and it's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie here. This is actually pretty impressive. Alright, so it's 4 p.m. now, and it's still automating. It's still doing its full thing. And I'm very happy, very impressed as a customer at the moment with this, because it's going to do it every single day. It just saves time. Like for me, I've been using the same resume, getting some decent results. So now's the time to just mass apply. Like you got to know when to mass apply, when to individualize. I think it's good to individualize maybe the cover letter. And I'm finding that this resume has been leading to interviews as well. So just knowing through testing already, so test with like maybe 100 jobs first, see if it works, see the results, and then if you know that it works, then absolutely mass apply with it. Why not? What is the worst to lose? Like you might as well automate the process, work smarter, not harder in a sense. So that's one way to think about it. Yeah, you can individualize per job application if you really want to. That's how you can use like maybe AI to sort of look at your experience versus, you know, what's in your resume and sort of fill the gap as well. So I think it's just like the market's changing. Like I think it's just about applying more, smarter applying as well, and just fully automating the process. So right now it's still applying and it's 4 o'clock. 100 jobs are going to be applied by like 5 o'clock. And I haven't really done it. It's just done it for me. Like, how life-changing is that? You could wake up 9 a.m. in the morning, apply to the jobs, let it apply for you, and then while that's automating, you could apply for other jobs. Like, think about it like that, and then do your individualization then for like specific jobs that you really want. Like, I think it's just smart to fully automate the process. I think it's really good.